Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students of 11th class in subject of botany. The topic of today's botany is types of meristematic tissue. As dear students, we have read lastly what is meristematic tissue and what is permanent tissue. Meristematic tissue, so far as we have dealt lastly, a simple tissue composed of group of similar and immature cells which can divide and form new cells. That means those cells which have a power to divide continuously to form new cells and new tissues, those are known as meristematic tissues. That means meristos means divide and which have a capability or capacity to divide, those are known as meristematic tissues. तो इनकी मेन फीचर्स डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इनका मेन फीचर है उनमें पावर ऑफ डिवीजन होता है, यानी डिवाइड होते रहते हैं, इससे नए सेल्स और नए टिश्यू बनते रहते हैं. तो आज पढ़ना है हमें टाइप्स ऑफ मेरिस्टेमेटिक tissues. So far as the types of meristematic tissues, they are of three main types. First, it is apical meristematic tissue. Second is intercalary meristemas. The third is lateral meristemas. We will deal them one by one. First is apical meristemas. Apical meristemas are located at the growing points of stems, root, and their branches. The apical meristemas are responsible for the linear growth of an organ, thus helping the plant to grow in linear. So far, dear students, this apical meristem is concerned. It is here we can deal this. It is apical meristemas. It is also present in the tips of stems, also in the tips of roots and branches. So far as this apical meristem, it is responsible for the growth. It produces growth in length. So far as this apical meristem, the plants increase in length due to this apical meristem. So far as the second type, it is intercalary meristemas. The intercalary meristemas are actually part of the apical meristemas, which get separated from it during the growth of stem and root in the length. They are located in between the regions of permanent tissues. They may lie above the nodes as in the grasses and cereals, below the nodes as in mint, and base of leaves, pinus. Intercalary meristemas give rise to permanent tissues. So far as these tissues are concerned, these intercalary meristemas are which have derived from apical. These are actually derived from apical meristemas, but they are separated from them by formation of permanent tissue in between. The meristemas help in elongation of organs. This helps us in the elongation of organs. They also allow the fallen stem of cereals to become erect. It is found at the base of leaves. So far as this intercalary meristem is found, intercalary meristem, it is intercalary. Here we can see this is intercalary meristem. So far as this intercalary meristem is, it is commonly found at the base of leaves above the nodes. In case of grasses or below the nodes, in mint, it is found in different places. Intercalary meristem is found at the base of pinus. So far as this intercalary meristem is, it gets full used up in the formation of permanent tissue. So far as this intercalary meristem is formed, it helps us in the elongation of organs. This it helps us in the elongation of organs. This intercalary meristem, its main function is the elongation of organs. Third is a lateral meristem. So far as the lateral meristems are concerned, these meristems are present along the lateral sides of root stems. So far as this lateral meristem is concerned, it is also found in the lateral sides of roots and these organs on the lateral sides. It is intercalary meristem. And thus they occur parallel to the circumference of the organs in which they occur. The cells of the lateral meristem undergo vertical divisions, producing secondary tissue. It is responsible for producing secondary. जो ये lateral meristem है तो इससे secondary tissue formation में help होता है. On the outer and inner sides, outer sides पर भी form होता है, inner sides पर भी इससे secondary tissue form होता है. They increase the girth of the pulmonary organ. So far as this in lateral meristem is, तो इससे मतलब हम क्या कहते हैं इसको इंक्रीज द गर्थ ऑफ द प्लांट ऑर्गन्स. इससे प्लांट की गर्थ यानी वेडथ होती है, उसकी मोटाई होती है, गर्थ इंक्रीज होती है प्लांट ऑर्गन की ड्यू टू दिस लेटरल मेरिस्टम्स. So far as this all is concerned, lateral meristem Examples of later meristems are cambium, coricum, etc. So their main function is they increase the girth of the plant organs and are present along the laters of the roots and stems. So far as these later meristems concerned, it increases the girth of the plant organs. So far, dear students, there are meristematic tissue we deal today. And what is meristematic tissue? The tissue which have power of division, which are capable of dividing the types. Apical meristem, it is present at the growing points of stem's roots, and there is intercalary meristem. They are located in between the regions of the ferment tissue, and also lateral meristem is occur parallel to the circumference of organs in which they develop. They are present along the lateral sides of the root and stems. And dear students, today it is sufficient. Thank you.